Are you getting ready to sell your house and wondering if you should make any renovations or not? Well, that is the big question. And in today's episode, I'll break it down for you and give you a short list of the things that you need to do to maximize your investment. Hey everybody, I'm Janice with Jakeway Realtors in the greater Kalamazoo area of West Michigan, and I'm your local real estate advisor. When thinking about selling, homeowners often feel like they need to get their house ready by doing some major remodeling to make it more attractive to buyers. Because there are so many buyers competing in our market right now for available homes, renovations may not be as important as they would be in a more normal market. Here are 2 things to keep in mind if you're thinking about selling this season. Number 1, there aren't enough homes for sale right now. In a normal market, we have 6 months supply of homes for sale, but today's housing inventory sits way below that benchmark. On a national average, according to the National Association of Realtors, there's only 1.9 months supply of homes available on average across all markets. And in Kalamazoo County, as of February 2021, there's only a 0.7 month supply of homes available. In Van Buren County, we're at 1.5 months, and in St. Joe County, 0.9 months supply. As a result, buyer competition is high, and homes are only on the market for a few days before they go pending. And most sellers are getting multiple offers from hopeful buyers. In a competitive market that's moving so fast, it makes sense to sell your house when buyers are scooping these homes up as soon as they're listed. So spending costly time and money on renovations before you sell it might just mean you're missing out on a key window of opportunity. Now, certainly some repairs on your house may be important, but your best move right now is to determine which improvements are truly necessary and which ones are not likely to be deal breakers for buyers. As a real estate advisor, I'm happy to help you make those recommendations. Today, many buyers are more willing to take on home improvement projects themselves in order to get the home they're after, even if it means putting in like a little extra work. Home Advisor explains when it comes to the number of home improvement projects completed, Gen Z homeowners are leading the pack, completing an average of 3.5 projects. Millennials closely follow Gen Z, taking on an average of 3.3 projects, followed by Gen X at 2.8 projects. Boomers completed an average of 2 projects, and the silent generation completed the fewest projects on average at 1.8 per household. Compared to 2019, millennials are spending 60% more home improvement and doing on average 30% more projects. And that's from the experts. So in this market, it may be wise to let future homeowners remodel the bathroom or the kitchen to make design decisions that are best for their specific tastes and lifestyle. So as a seller, your dollars and time might be better spent working on small cosmetic updates like refreshing some paint and power washing the exterior instead of over-investing in your home with upgrades that buyers may change anyway. So some things that you could do to maximize your investment without overdoing it include: number 1, washing all the windows inside and out. Number 2, giving your entryway a facelift. Number 3, making sure all your exterior lights work. Number 4, power wash outdoor surfaces. Number 5, paint or replace street numbers on your house and or your mailbox. Number 6, declutter your house. Number 7, clean everything. Number 8, fix anything that's broken. Number 9, give each room a purpose. And number 10, Open the curtains and blinds and let the light in. Like I said, I'm happy to help you determine the key projects that will maximize your listing without overdoing it. Number 2, focus on getting a good return on your investment. When you're planning to tackle a big project, you'll want to discuss the potential return on your investment with your real estate advisor to determine if those projects are worth the cost. Some homes do need a kitchen or bathroom renovation, roof repairs, or other major work, but definitely not all of those. You might be surprised by how well your house could fare in today's seller's market. Hanley Wood is a company that publishes a cost versus value report in select markets, and according to their research, the 2020 cost versus value report shows a predictable increase in cost for 22 remodeling projects, but a consistent dip in the perceived value of those projects at the time of home sale, as estimated by real estate professionals in more than 100 metro areas across the United States. This results in a slight downturn on the return on investment for nearly all projects relative to the trends we saw in last year's report. Ideally, homeowners getting ready to move should try to avoid overinvesting in big renovations because they probably won't make that money back when they sell their house. If you would like a copy of Hanley Wood's report, comment below and I'll send that to you. According to Home Advisor, in their 2020 State of Home Spending Report, the average household spent $13,138 on home services. In 2019, the average homeowner spent $9,081. So homeowners spent $4,057 more on average in 2020. And I suspect that number will be more this year because building supplies have skyrocketed. I know last year you could buy a 2x4 for $1.87 and they're now around $6. And a sheet of plywood cost about $15 last year, and it's running around $30. So before you renovate, contact a local real estate advisor to see if it's the best course of action for you. You might find out that putting your house on the market as is will help you sell quickly, and it may result in the best return on your investment. Every home is different, but a conversation with your realtor is mission critical to make sure that you have the right moves in place when selling this season. So the bottom line is we're in a very strong seller's market, and that means you have the leverage to sell your house on your terms. So get in touch with me and let's determine if renovating is really the best way for you to spend your time and money before you sell. If you are renovating, let me know how that's going in the comments below. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of videos that I upload every single Wednesday to help you with your real estate questions. As always, feel free to reach out or visit my website at www.michiganhomegirl.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next week.